All right, the measures of center and spread. So the main three things that we need to know are the mean, the median, and the range. Okay, so we're gonna do number one together, and hopefully that should be enough for you guys to practice these other three on the page. So if you wanna find the mean, that's the same exact thing as being asked to find the average. When you're asked to find the mean or the average, you're going to add up the numbers, and then you will divide by the number of numbers, literally. How many numbers did you literally just add up? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to add up all of these numbers, all of these home prices, and then divide by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, since I'm about to add up 9 numbers. I'm going to add them up, then divide by the number of numbers, which in this case is 9. I add up the price of those 9 houses. I get this huge number, 2,929,800. And I'm going to divide that by 9, since I added up 9 different numbers. There was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's where I got that from. And we get a mean or an average of 325,533 and 33 cents. A typical average house would cost that. That's one of the ways we can look at the center or typical price here. Now the median is always going to be your exact middle, as long as your numbers are already in order from smallest to largest. If they're not in order, you're not ready to do the median. So now I'm going to cross 1 off the top, 1 off the bottom. Now 2 off the top, 2 off the bottom, and then my third one from each, and then my fourth one from each. And then it looks like here, I have the exact middle. And if it's the exact middle, there should be the same number of numbers above and below. I see 1, 2, 3, 4 below, 1, 2, 3, 4 above. So I know my median's 327,400. You'll notice the mean and the median are very, very similar. That's because there doesn't seem to be an outlier. There's no number that's way below or way above. So our two measures of center are pretty similar. Range lets us know the spread though. It lets us know how far spread out our data is. And it's literally just going to be the biggest number subtracted from the smallest number. So I'm going to take the biggest number and subtract it from my smallest number. Literally, just how far apart are they? The biggest from the smallest, and we're going to subtract. So here I get 0, 0, 5, 4, 3. So there's my answer. After I subtracted, it's 34,500. So that means the cheapest house is only $34,500 away from the most expensive house.